So in this video, we're going to cover the experimental Canvas app feature for PDF Viewer. The PDF Viewer supports different document extensions like docx, for example, and PDF at least that I know of. I searched and scoured the internet for ways to get PDFs to show inside of an app, and this is the way that works the best. So I want to share it with you because it was really hard to get here. So here we have a PDF viewer control, and on the left side we have an attached document. As you can imagine, there are a variety, many use cases for having a PDF viewer in your application. This PDF viewer can pull from pretty much any source on the internet, SharePoint, Power BI, just pretty much anything that's stored inside of the app, which I'll show you how to create this. Okay, so this very basic line of code is going to get you everything that you need, and it's just a little trick to get here. So with all that being said, what you'll see here is I have this sample Adobe PDF in my SharePoint list. Just imagine that we created a Power Automate that basically when we upload the file, it goes to SharePoint and then creates this file. This sample PDF is directly from Adobe, so it's just the same PDF here that I'm showing. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and then go to integrate here on the menu bar in SharePoint, and then we'll create an app. You don't have to do it from the SharePoint list, but this is like the secret way to easily integrate a SharePoint list as a data source with your Power App. So it's doing that right now. We'll close this now. All right, so it's created an app for us, and you'll see what I'm interested in here is this edit screen, and particularly this particular thing, this paper clip icon. This is the attach file control. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to create a new screen that will be landscape so that I have more room. I'll get rid of this print icon, and I'll paste in this new screen the upload control. You'll see it has some errors already. That's okay. They're just things that you can adjust later, but for now we're just going to comment out anything that's an error. Alright, so I'm almost done commenting everything. Okay, so the next piece is to actually add your PDF viewer to the screen. So let's do that, and I'm also going to delete these extra screens that I don't need. And then I'm going to rename this upload control. And so now we have our upload control on half the page here, like this. And then let's go ahead and add the PDF viewer. So it's under Media. Scroll down a little bit. PDF Viewer Experimental. And then let's just move it to the side here. And you can see it's pointing at a sample PDF blob resource. Okay. On the right side, I recommend showing controls because they're really cool. You can actually search through the PDF. Like, for example, down there on page 2, nunc. Okay. You can go through the different pages of the PDF by just clicking these buttons, and you can also zoom in and zoom out. Very cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach a file. So this is the magic. When you attach a file, you could call a Power Automate job to dump this in SharePoint, create a record, etc. But the real magic is for making this work is this attached file. As soon as I upload a PDF to it now has an object inside of it that I can leverage. So go back to your PDF viewer control, okay? And instead of sample PDF, let's just comment that out. What you're going to do is a function like this. You're going to do the first, because we only have one item in that control, one uploaded item at the moment. And then you're going to hit upload control, or whatever you named your attachment icon, dot attachments, close it, and then value. And what you'll see here on the right is we've got a PDF. So here's our PDF represented, and this is going to be very useful for you. You could always hide the control and even put an icon over the attached file, your own style that you want, and be able to do all this stuff. So very exciting. This could be receiving data from another external resource, so automatically uploading. But yeah, very, very cool. So thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.